Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial video. On this video we're at our social proof tool and we're going to see how to create a campaign and how to test your campaign also. So I already created a campaign over here. I'm just going to edit, but if you guys would like to create one, you just create campaign. It is going to take you to the same place as mine already created. So once you click on it, it is going to take you to this page. So once you're in this page, you can name your campaign over here. You don't have to worry too much about this name. Only you can see this, so you can just name whatever you would like. You can select the type. Over here I'm going to select drag and drop site builder contact form because I'm using a email contact form in my website. Over here it needs to be your website domain, and this is the live version of your website, not the editor version. Just keep that in mind. You can also set a logo. I'm just going to put the Builderall logo for this one, but again, only you can see this, so only you will be able to see the logo. So if you want to skip this, it's completely fine. Over here you can select if you want to show the more button after your pop-up. So over here, as you guys can see, this more, it would be that button. I'm just going to select this so I show you guys. And you can also enable the pop-up on mobile devices. Next up, you can set your campaign description and the theme. If I want to set it to white, I can. Green, all these 5 colors over here, I can choose from it. I'm just going to select dark and leave it like that. And I'm going to save. Once you save it, your test campaign will be over here. Your logo will change if you set a logo. And to add it to your website, you need to go on code. And we're going to be looking at the first code and the second code. The first code, we're going to copy it and go to our editor. And we're going to put it on our head script of our page. We're going to save it. And after that, we're going to go over here, add a HTML box. Click on it. Click on edit. And over here, we're going to paste this code over here, the second one. Delete everything. Paste it and click confirm. Our notification should pop up and there you go. Once it's here, you can pin it to a corner like this. We're going to click on pin corner, click over here, or any of the corners that you would like, and click in the middle, up there, up on the left. I'm just going to select on the bottom right, and I'm going to close it. We can preview over here to see how it will look like. I can scroll down and my notification will still stay on that corner, will not move. We're going to return to edit. There you go. The notification will be right here. We can go back to proof and see that our clients, we have this ABAA that I just put that we saw on the editor. Once we go on preview, you can see that ABAA over here. And we can also remove our campaign. This is going to be it for the video. Thank you for watching and have a great day.